Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline is going for 43 cents more. However, the price of automotive diesel will decline by 26 cents. The price for ultra-low sulfur diesel will not change. 57 cents will be added to the price of kerosene, while propane is down by 5 cents and butane 74 cents. Not what we signed up for. That's the word from microlenders who claim the current microcredit bill is drastically different from what was presented to them during consultations on the proposed law. TVJ's Andrew Laidley spoke with the acting chairman of the Jamaica Microfinancing Association earlier today.
Microfinance lenders are pushing back against the pending microcredit bill. Acting chairman of the Jamaica Microfinancing Association, Andrew Mays, says there are aspects of the bill which the association had no idea about.
And while it is that there were consultation over the last 6 or 7 years with previous administration, and I think even the current administration, about what the bill should look like, its flavor, its feel, its impact, what we suddenly recognize is in 2019 when the bill was first tabled, it significantly looked different from what was initially discussed.
Legislators are now being forced to go back to the drawing board as microlenders are demanding changes.
We have consulted with the ministry, with the minister, Dr. Nigel Clark, who was willing to meet with us, also the BOJ, the regulatory arm of the Act, and through those consultations there is currently a review of the bill in its current draft to reflect more of the concerns we have raised in terms of making the bill a lot more facilitating of the industry growing and developing and helping simple Jamaicans to achieve their dreams.
Mr. Mays took issue with about 40 criminal penalties outlined in the bill.
You know, a simple not submitting a report can land on a micro lender in jail. And we think that is extreme. We think that it is unreasonable.
The bill seeks to regulate microcredit services, ensuring that microlenders are licensed by the regulatory authority. They will also be required to keep proper accounts and make reports to the regulatory authority on a timely basis. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The president of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, Keith Duncan, has urged banks to make it easier for small business operators to access loans. He reasons it's not difficult and pointed to a practice where banks offer low-interest loans to their staff. Mr. Duncan was speaking on Monday at a PSOJ and the Jamaica Bankers Association workshop in Kingston. The aim of the forum was to, among other things, identify issues in the banking sector that may be hindering growth in Jamaica. For the businessman, entrepreneurs are willing to invest now. However, a main hindrance is the limited access to capital. Therefore, he feels it is up to the banks to help entrepreneurs expand their business from a small to a medium-sized operation.
Why can we, the banks, only lend money to my employees as a small business person to finance their car loans, but you're not lending me, the small business, who is paying this employee?
Currency trading now. The Jamaican dollar continued to make gains. The US dollar ended the day at $135.44. The Canadian sold for $102.10. The pound $169.61, while the euro closed at $143.71. The JC index gained 1,126 points, while the junior market index lost 25 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living, Sterling Investments, Access Financial Services, Consolidated Bakeries, and Carib Cement. On the losing side were Everything Fresh, General Accident Insurance Company, G West Corporation, Medical Disposables and Supplies, and the Main Event Entertainment Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.